Hello, guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. Not in today's newspaper, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, August the 13th, 2022. And I've told you earlier, on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so no puzzle, so I will solve the rest of the puzzles in additional, and I've already solved 2 of them today, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the last one, Cijferblok in Dutch, yes. With I believe number 5014. Yeah, this will be 5014. Alright, 5014. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, I've told you earlier, the hard ones has 8, 9, 10 printed digits. This one has 16, should be an easy one. And this one is indicated with 1 star. And for a 1-star puzzle, I need, that's my time limit, to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only 1 single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No dual boxes, only triple box here. You see here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, the 3. The 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 or the 2. And when you see a triple box, the inside, remember the inside box or the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here another triple box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, told you the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. At the other side, this box is also near the middle box. So it should be also 4 or a 5. So now we have a pair here in this same area. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. Triple box. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? Let me check. No. Quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Yes. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, let me, yeah, so, well, alright, okay, also in this T shape, this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, T shape, here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. I've told you it's a 1. And that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then only 1 shape. Yes, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So the L shape rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here, upside down. This box is the same name as that box, so in this case it's a 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Oh, I overlooked this quadra box. Well, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box. This box is the inside box, is always a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. Let me continue with this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, rotated 180 degrees. This box has the same number as that box. More? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. Or is this the last shape? No. Let me see. Is this the last shape? Yeah. No. We have this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maximum 6. I believe the Z or the S figure is missing here. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 2. Alright. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I think two numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, and can be a 5. Yeah, definitely 2. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there, so it's not the solution to place the 2 here. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And then this box can be 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Well, well. This box can be a 5. This box can also not be a 3. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. One digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Then this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore because we have a double 3 over there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2. And that box in this area should be a 3. I think, don't think too long. Well, come on. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box can be a 1 and a 5 because we have a double 1 here, double 5 there. So here can be 1 and a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for the number 2. Alright, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. Because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 in this L shape should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. Well, 1 5. I think. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1 because we have a 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 1 and 2, we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Well, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, let me mark those 3 and the 4. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes with the 1 and the 3. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this cross area for number 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box Cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Missing the 3 here. Well. Yeah, the 3. So the 3 could be here, or there. Did I make a mistake? Why can I not? Oh, this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left. For the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, almost. Let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Sunday. And well, we will meet again very soon. Maybe if I have the spare time, the Samurai Sudoku. Otherwise, see you on tomorrow on Monday. Bye bye, and have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.